Hello everyone, welcome to KSR Datavizon YouTube channel. So we have already covered a few charts in the previous videos. If you have not watched it, please go and watch it from the playlist. Today we will be learning about two more new charts, okay? That is area chart and stacked area chart. So to understand this concept, please go through the line chart once, which is already discussed, okay? And the data set which we are using here will be the Superstore data set. So right from the beginning, for all the charts, we are using the same Superstore data set. So yeah, let's get started now. So first I'll drag and drop this line chart only, okay? From there we will start, we'll come back to again area chart. So this is the line chart. So what we have discussed, line chart is basically for time-based analysis when we want to plot a graph, right, between a date and a numeric value. Date in the sense it can be anything, month, year, week, day, anything. It can be anything. So let's take date into the axis, and then values will be sales. So this is year-wise analysis. Okay, year-wise, what is the sales we are seeing? Let it make to month. So this is a line chart. Okay, so now let's see how this area chart looks like. This is the area chart. Okay, same thing. Order data I am taking on axis, and in values I am taking the sales value. So this also I want to do the analysis month-wise. Okay, what is the trends? So here we can see. So if you see now, right, the difference between this line chart and this area chart. So you can make out that this looks more readable, right, when compared to this line chart. You can easily make out that this is looking better readability. This is about area chart. Okay, so same thing, whatever we have did in line chart, we will do here as well. Okay, along with the sales, if I also want to see the profit trends also. So profit means we can use that in the secondary values. So profit also I am taking here, and even in line chart also we will take profit. Okay. So now if I ask you which one is better when compared to line chart or area chart, you may say line chart only, because here readability is good, right? So easily you can make out. Here somewhat it's like overlapping, and these areas are filled. So here you may, when you have this tooltip, it's easy for you to tell. But when I ask you the readability between these two, it is like more like line chart is better. So area chart also, it's used for the same time-based analysis only, and to see the trends, but it depends on the use case. Okay, so based on the use case, you have to select the charts accordingly. So we will also see now regarding like when we have legends also. So now we have covered one numerical with date, means sales with the date we have covered, and the secondary axis also, even profit we can see, right? Profit also we have covered, profit and with respect to date. So if we are adding legend, then we cannot use secondary axis. So we will remove this, and in legend is nothing but a categorical value which gives some extra information. So I am taking region here. So if you see here, now it is not that readable, right? You may not understand, even if I add this data labels also. If I turn on this, see, it looks so clumsy, right? See, within this west region, inside this again you have south. Inside this again you have a central region, and inside this light blue is nothing but east region. So the maximum, the sales happening at west is 73K, and the sales happening at south is 54. But this is coming inside this, okay? This is area chart where you are missing the in line chart. Same thing when we added the legend. See, it's very clear, no? How you are able, you can easily tell that what is the sales happening at west region. West region, what is the sales during the year 2016? Even here, you can easily make out. Instead of year, if I can take month also, I can take. So this is how a line chart looks, and this is the area chart where these areas are filled, and also multicolors. For the lines, you can see one color, and the area filled inside this, right? It also has one more color. So this is some drawback. I can say like a drawback. Okay, here since it is filled inside the other areas, right? The legend part is somewhat it's clumsy and you are not able to understand, right? To overcome this problem, we will go with the stacked area chart. Okay. So stacked area chart, same thing. You will drag and drop this skeleton. So here you can add the axis. In axis, you will add the date information. So I'm taking the order date. And then values will be the numerical value. So I want to do the analysis with respect to the sales. So I wanted month-wise analysis. Okay. This will be the month-wise analysis. So it's now looking like area chart only, right? It is looking like area chart. Only when you add the legend, it will become stacked area chart. So legend is our region. Anything you can take, any categorical value. So now if you take this, it is stacked area chart. Now you can see the difference. I can even turn on the data labels as well. So if here you see, right, it is that the sales for each region within this you are able to see, but here it is separate, okay, stacked one above the other. So if you see this one, since these are in thousands, right, and here it is in millions, so better this axis also I will change it to thousands actually. You can change the values here. Instead of auto, you can change it to thousands. So now you can easily make out. So why it is close to 200? Because it is summing up the sales of central region. For this 41K, 36K, 54K, and 73K. If you sum up this, it will be equal to this value. So this is the readability difference with respect to the area chart and stacked area chart. Both are similar only. Only thing in stacked area chart, if you are not adding this legend, see if this legend is not added, it's same like area chart only. Only when you are adding this legend, it is becoming stacked area chart. So this is about stacked area chart, and line chart. Okay. So when compared to readability and easy analysis, right, mostly line chart is only preferred rather than this stacked area chart and area chart. So what are the takeaways from? And in this stacked area chart, if you see, you will not be able to add the secondary axis here, because we have seen, right, even in line chart we were able to add the secondary axis. See, we can add the secondary axis. Even in area chart, we can add the secondary axis. See, in secondary values we have, but in stacked area chart, we don't have any so-called secondary axis. We don't have this. You can go with the date and numerical value. Along with that, you can also add the legend part. So this will be our takeaways. So area chart means one numerical with one date, or you can use one numerical with one date along with the legend, that is the categorical value, or two numerical with one categorical. The two numerical means along with the sales we are also using profit, right? So that will be the secondary axis. Next, coming to the stacked area chart, it is like one numerical along with one date and one categorical. In stacked area chart, you cannot use the secondary axis. So yes, this is about our charts, and we'll come back with a few more charts. Okay. Now, for more informative videos, please do watch our YouTube channel. Thank you.